A couple of years ago, I began waking at 4 a.m. in the morning with that gut-wrenching realization that despite working hard for decades, despite running a successful business, I was nowhere near ready to retire. And the truth was, I was running out of time. And yet, I discovered something that quite surprised me, and that was that the online world could give me a genuine way to start improving my financial future far more effectively than I'd managed before. You see, I've learned how to leverage systems and technology that's allowed me to build an income online that wasn't totally dependent on me trading time for money every single day. You see, over the years, I've tried private pensions, property investing, even network marketing, but nothing ever really solved the problem. And eventually I started accepting the idea that I'd probably have to keep working well into my 70s. And that's a pretty hard thing to admit after working your whole life. Well, the thing that changed everything was when I met John. He was a business owner like me, my age. I resonated with his story. He introduced me to a step-by-step framework, how to actually build an online income. The thing I loved about the framework was I could do a little bit every day, work at my own pace. It wasn't beyond me, even though I'd got no previous online experience. That framework empowered me and taught me everything I needed to know to start building a real income online. And for the first time in years, I began to feel hopeful again. Well, fast forward 18 months, and I was able to take my whole family on a cruise to celebrate my 60th birthday, something that would have felt impossible to me just a short time ago. And last Christmas, when my mum needed me after a bad fall, I could be there every day. No guilt, no lost income, because now I've built an additional income stream online that gives me the flexibility with my time. And for the first time in years, the anxiety around my retirement started lifting. Those 4 a.m. wake-ups have become less and less. So if you're a business owner and you realize your retirement provision is heading in the wrong direction, click the button below. I'll walk you through the same step-by-step framework that helped me start building a second income online. If it resonates, great. Let's talk some more. If not, there's nothing lost. But if you recognize that feeling of dread, waking at 4 a.m., realizing that you've run out of time to prepare for your retirement, this might just be the thing that starts the change for you.